Hello, celestial navigators. It's Dr. Adrian Astra, your interstellar guide, welcoming you back to our grand cosmic odyssey on Universe Unfolded. Whether you're a seasoned space traveler or a first-time explorer, it's fantastic to have you here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell to keep up with our journeys into the spectacular cosmic beyond. Today, we're embarking on a deep dive into a realm that's as elusive as it is profound. We're talking about the mesmerizing world of string theory. So strap into your imagination rockets, adjust your curiosity, helmets, and prepare for a voyage that transcends dimensions and vibrates with the rhythm of the cosmos. Part 1. Strings everywhere. Let's start our journey with a little imaginative exercise. Picture a grand stage with a sea of cosmic musicians, each playing their instruments in perfect harmony, producing a symphony that reverberates across the cosmos. Now, hold on to your hats, because we're going to swap these musicians with unimaginably tiny vibrating strings. These aren't your average strings though, and they're not producing any sound. Instead, these cosmic strings are playing out the particles and forces that form the building blocks of reality. This universal symphony, a vibrant dance of harmonies and melodies vibrating through the cosmos, is the essence of string theory. The theory proposes that the universe isn't crafted from particles like our traditional models suggest. Instead, everything we see around us, from the smallest subatomic particle to the grandest galaxy, is a manifestation of these tiny strings vibrating at different frequencies. Like an orchestra playing different notes, these strings, oscillating in unique ways, create all the musics of the universe. Part 2. The Harmonic Challenge. Trying to understand string theory is a bit like attempting to read the finest print without a magnifying glass. It's like trying to comprehend a cosmic script written in a language that's on a scale smaller than an atom. It's a Herculean task, no doubt, but the lure of this theory is its immense potential. String theory holds the promise of uniting the two pillars of modern physics, quantum mechanics, the rule book of the infinitesimally small, and general relativity, the law of the massive and the macroscopic. These two giants have been like two operatic divas, each sing their own tune, and refusing to harmonize on the same stage. However, with string theory as the master conductor, they might finally agree to sing a harmonious duet, providing us a unified understanding of the cosmos. Part 3. Waltzing through dimension. Now, this is where things get even more surreal. Besides proposing that the universe is made up of tiny strings, string theory also throws in a wild card, the existence of extra dimensions. Imagine that. We live our lives in the familiar 3 dimensions of space and 1 dimension of space and 1 dimension of time. String theory turns this intuition on its head and suggests there could be additional hidden dimensions. Imagine you're walking on a tightrope. To you, the rope represents a straight one-dimensional path from point A to B. But if you were an ant on the rope, you could explore another dimension by wandering around the circumference of the rope. Similarly, these extra dimensions could be right under our noses, but so compact and minuscule that they escape our direct perception. We could be obliviously waltzing through extra dimensions every day. Part 4. Strings and the Multiverse. But the weirdness of string theory doesn't stop there. Besides its implications for dimensions, it also opens up our understanding of the concept of a multiverse. According to the theory, with its extensive catalogue of potential solutions, there could be a vast landscape of possible universes, each with unique physical laws. It's as if our familiar universe, our own cosmic concert, is just one performance in an infinite cosmic music festival. Every universe in this ensemble could be playing out a distinct variation on the theme of existence. Imagine that, each dancing to its own tune, all part of a grand cosmic orchestra. Part 5. Why should you care? So, you've journeyed with me through a universe of vibrating strings and extra dimensions. And you might be asking, why should I care, Dr. Astra? How does this impact my daily life? Well, my dear celestial navigators, the reason we explore these theories isn't just because they're mind-bendingly cool, but because they change how we see our place in the universe. They show us that we're a part of something incredibly complex, diverse, and beautiful. Understanding string theory can give us a sense of cosmic context, a broader perspective on our existence. Plus, who knows, as we continue to untangle these cosmic strings, we might stumble upon new technologies or revolutionary understandings that could shape our future in ways we can't yet even imagine. Part 6. The Elegant Universe. Remember the cosmic concert we talked about earlier? Now, imagine that we're able to perceive this concert in its entirety, not just the parts we're familiar with. String theory gives us a chance to understand the universe as an elegant, harmonious symphony, rather than a cacophony of disjointed notes. It suggests that the universe is not just a random jumble of particles and forces, but an intricately woven cosmic tapestry. This might seem a bit poetic for hard science, but that's one of the reasons string theory has captivated the imaginations of so many scientists. Of the universe that's beautiful, elegant, and profoundly interconnected. Part 7. The Final Frontier. String theory is a daring venture into the final frontier of the incredibly small. It's a quest to find the fundamental building blocks of reality. If validated, it could provide a unified framework for understanding the universe, tying together the forces and particles we observe into a single, harmonious whole. Yet it's crucial to note that string theory remains, for now, a theory. It's an unproven, albeit enticing model of the universe. But isn't that what makes it so exciting? We're at the edge of what we know, looking out into the unknown, seeking answers to the biggest questions of existence. The conclusion. So that's a wrap on our journey through the vibrating multidimensional world of string theory. We've seen how it could change our perception of the universe, reconcile the forces of nature, and even hint at the existence of other universes. Remember, whether it's tiny strings, extra dimension, or other universes, each new discovery adds a note to our cosmic symphony, enriching the melody of our understanding. So, until next time, keep looking up, stay curious, and continue to join me, Dr. Adrian Astra, as we unfold the mysteries of our amazing universe. And remember, everything we've discussed today has been created with the power of AI technologies. Even yours truly, Dr. Astra.